As the fastest growing industry globally, there is always an enormous necessity for well-trained human resources in the hospitality industry. Institute of Hotel Management, Bangalore. An autonomous institute under the Ministry of Tourism, the Government of India fulfills these requirements. IHM Bangalore is ranked as one of the best in the nation because of its quality education par excellence.
Quality is something that you need to look for, and that quality you will find in IHM Bangalore.
Having IHM Bangalore in your resume is the biggest thing to have.
It's a very primely located institute, and what we enjoyed here was the amount of placements that happen in this place.
So this college, most of the students opt for because the job placement and the other aspects are very good.
Our students have been going to different competitions and winning, but the best is winning the Best Hospitality Institute in India award, and which was based on our best placements.
From its humble beginnings as a food craft institute in 1969, IHM Bangalore has scaled to newer heights by forging further avenues. It offers an array of courses from BSc in Hospitality and Hotel Administration to MSc, Diploma, craft courses and various other short-term programs, along with the Ministry of Tourism funded flagship skill development programs such as Hunar Se Rozgar Tak, National Skill Testing and the destination-based HSRT. Located in the city's heart and set amidst a well-spaced, lush green campus, IHM Bangalore is synonymous with quality hospitality education. Its proficient and experienced group of faculty competently trains students for their endeavors in spacious lecture halls and well-equipped labs.
Campus is not only about the infrastructure, it's about the students and the faculty.
The faculty amongst the colleges in India is one of the best. You can learn a lot, and it's not just academically, they help you all around, even in your placement cell. With every little detail, every little problem, they do come up and help us and treat us like our own family. So that's very essential.
Being in campus is like a second home, because as we are away from our home and here we meet different people. Also we have family like faculty over here.
The outstanding learning environment and receptive attitude of teachers make this institute distinctive.
We have one of the top qualified faculties here.
They all come with a very good experience from the industry. And once they come with a good experience from the industry, they can give it back to the students.
I have been here for about more than 30 years.
Oh, I'm here for almost 24 years now.
I think it's my 25th year.
I came to this institute in the year 2001.
I started my career in year 2008 in IHM Bangalore.
So I joined in 2013 with IHM Bangalore. Since 2009, I'm working here.
So they have been the pioneers of what we are going to become in the future.
Accommodated with the latest technology, a well-stocked library provides students a solid platform to know and learn about hospitality, hotels, travel, tourism and management.
Every day in campus is actually really fun. You get to learn new things every day. It's absolutely amazing. So IHM Bangalore creates an environment for students who want to hone themselves personally as well as professionally.
The best thing which I feel like is, every staff here are very friendly, right from the office or whether it be the teaching staff or it be the principal. They also do their job to the best, and we are also feeling very happy to have wonderful students here.
Its students are well placed in all the leading hotels and allied hospitality organizations in India and across the globe.
We make them ready to see that whenever they walk in anywhere, they carry our flag, the IHM Bangalore flag. So that makes a lot of difference.
Most of our students are in very good positions in a lot of hotels, not only in India and also in abroad.
Our alumni are not only in hotels, they are GMs, F&B managers and so on, but they're also in very many allied works.
Some star alumni are Chef Montu Saini, Executive Chef of the Parliament House, Chef Mural Manjunath, Chef of Michelin star restaurant Song of India in Singapore, and Mr. Joe Manavalan, co-founder Licious, the online meat company.
It is always proud when we meet our students who have passed out students, and when they come back, it's a very great feeling for us.
The cheerful and proud faces of the students and teachers testify to the success of IHM Bangalore.
IHM Bangalore has given me the scope and learning that wants me to fulfill my entire career in the industry of hospitality.
As you say, travel and tourism will never go out of business, will never go out of fashion. I think that is why this industry can be looked at something which is going to grow real greatly.
Today, the IHM Bangalore is widely regarded as one of the premier institutes in the country to equip aspirants for a successful career in hospitality services.
So you are definitely in a sunshine industry. It's not something that the sun is ever going to go down upon, because roti, kapda, makan. Those are the three main things that everybody looks for. And you're providing all that.
Being happy to make others happy, if that is there in you, there is nothing that can stop you coming here, learning and for yourself creating.
Any student who wants to come into the hospitality industry, the most important thing is they should have a passion and interest in themselves, that they want to become a chef, they want to work in the hotels. We are there for the students, and today what I am is because of my students.
We are also born for this. We are waiting for you with all the facilities, with all the knowledge and everything, whatever is available with us.
If you think you want to win, come to IHM Bangalore. We are there to allow that bud to grow, flower it, and then the world will be for you.
Take up your dreams, fulfill, and then you will also be happy, and you will also be benefiting somebody who will also take up the same thing.
IHM Bangalore has given me, made me the person that I am today, and the person that I am today is a proud person.
If you think you're lost, but you have the mindset to win, please come. Welcome to IHM Bangalore.
If you aim to be with people and you think that you can shine where people are concerned, this is the industry for you. So why not IHM Bangalore? Can you go anywhere else? No.
IHM Bangalore, a pioneer in hospitality law.